Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to disappear a cup. This is how it looks like. There. Ready? 1, 2. It's gone. Well, it's gone, and I need another one. So, you need 2 tissues or paper towels. That's what you do. You say 1, 2, then you squish it. So it goes like. Sometimes you mess up. Squished. Do it again. I'll do it again. Right. Okay. Ready? Set. And it's gone. Could it be? I don't know. Okay. That's how you do the paper cup disappearing trick.